User instructions. Installation of water draining pipe. Slip the fastener onto the tube. Pull out the drain cap of the draining port. Connect the drain pipe to the draining port using the fasteners to tighten. Installation of water inlets. Remove the clipper first, fully insert the pipe, and then reinstall the clipper. Ensure the pipe is fully inserted and cannot be pulled out easily. Remove the cap on the port first, then insert the clear silicone tube into the port. Operation instructions. As soon as the power is plugged in, the display window will light up. Press the on and off button on the control panel. The ice making procedure begins. First, the water shortage symbol will be on. Once there is enough water running through the machine, it will go off. Press plus and minus button on the control panel to adjust the ice thickness. Press the timer button into time setting mode. Then press the plus and minus button on the control panel to adjust time. The setting range is from 1 hour to 24 hours. When the unit is running, it can set up the timing for shutdown. When the unit is in standby mode, you can set the unit with on timer. After connecting all of the water pipes, powering on the machine, press time and clean button on the control panel for more than 5 seconds to enter the self-cleaning program. You can press the on and off buttons to cancel the program.